Okay, I told you that I burned up a carrier bearing, and I just wanted to show you real quick. I've got the bearings in my hand. I wanted to show you what they look like. So I'm gonna flip you around here and show you. These things are pretty squared off. It's pretty nasty. I've not ever seen anything like this. Look, watch this. This is crazy. Ah, see, look at that. Look at that thing. Look at how squared off that joker is. Watch this, watch. See? Didn't even roll.
Here I've got the shaft all put back together, and I'm installing it back into the crawler, bolting it up to the transfer case, and I'm checking for fitment and trying to determine where I would weld the tabs to hold everything in place. So now, only thing left to do is cut out some tabs and break out the welder and stick them on. I've got one of the old bearings installed in the carrier. I'll get everything tacked in place and press out this old bearing and install the new bearings. That way I can hold it all in place, check for run out, and everything should be okay once I press the new bearings in.
All right, I think I got it.
Now I've not broken out the plasma torch in quite some time, so it took a little bit of getting used to. I needed all the concentration that I could muster, so I enlisted the help of a camera operator, otherwise known as my bride, and I think she did a pretty good job. So here I am cutting out the tabs that are going to weld onto the carrier. You see on the workbench one of the old carriers. And then the one sitting there that's bare. I'll weld these tabs on to this piece and then press those bearings in, and we should be good to go. Here shortly I'll have to go to the drill press, drill all my holes, and get it ready to weld in. Okay, we're really making some headway now. I just about got this thing knocked out. I'm feeling pretty proud of myself. So off to the drill press we go. Gonna put some holes in this thing, and we are just about there. Getting pretty close, and I'm ready to have this thing all buttoned up.
sure those bearings are now sufficiently fried. But that's okay, I got new ones. Well, it's Sunday and I'm about done with Jeeping for this weekend. I got plenty of stuff done, and hopefully I'll be able to get this drive shaft in this week. So I got the tabs welded on. I think I'm just about there. I just gotta put a little bit of paint on it so it doesn't rust, and slam it back in, hook the drive shaft up, and we'll see if that's gonna work. I hope that works. I think it will. I believe I finally got it, got the nut cracked on this one, and we'll see. So we got Hot Springs, Arkansas. The Fire and Ice ride is coming up the 31st of December through the 4th of January. Shane and I have gone to the last 3 years of that event, and we'll see how this event goes. We've got a good group going. I think, let's see, probably got 5 or 6 buggies, and there's a couple of side-by-sides coming from Northeast Texas. Should be a good time. So stay tuned, and we'll get Raggedy Red back together and on the trailer and headed to Hot Springs, Arkansas. And of course, we'll get some more footage up there at the Fire and Ice. So stay tuned to Casey Crawls, and we'll see you on the flip side.